Back when he was a youngin', he always dreamed of becoming man people would turn to. He was always running to help his family and others. He would come to their rescue. Here it comes down the road, the sirens scream through town, red lights flashing all aglow. Everyone knows that sound, the sound of help on the way. That truck seems so high off the ground. He looked up at Mom and said, "Wanna ride the big red truck someday?"
What do you think of a real fire engine, huh?
He's on shift with his brothers, away from his family and others. The days have turned into years. Wouldn't trade it for nothing. His world was sometimes nothing, tending to people's pain and fear. Here it comes down the road, the sirens scream through town, the red lights flashing all aglow. Everyone knows that sound, the sound of help on the way. He gets that rush when the bells sound.
Come on over here. Here comes the fireman.
With hard work and luck, he drives a big red truck every third day.
Say hi, Hunter. Fire engine. Take a look at that. Hey, you. We just came from a fire engine. Did you know that the kid's toy is a fire engine down here?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, take a look at it
29
sometime.
years
That's pretty
of
cool.
service. He
So
saved
you're just walking home from the fire engine and decided to pick up a hat. Hunter.
He was in a fire last Friday. Saved a child in the home.
His mom will be
Let
pretty
that
stoked. She was an EMT. All right. Thank you
dark
so
smoke
much.
cut right through.
All right, we'll see you later.
And that little girl won't get to meet him. She can only thank him in her prayers. Here it comes down the road, the sirens scream through town, red lights flashing all aglow. Everyone knows that sound, the sound of help on the way. Today his body will go underground. His brother's walking behind him, he's going home to stay. He rides a big red truck the last time today.